Welcome back to the Keykeeper's channel. Hi, my name is the Keykeeper, and I'm making this video today to give all of my subscribers a quick update video about my 1993 Chevrolet C2500 6.5 liter turbo diesel pickup truck. I bought this pickup truck a few years back, I think about 10 years, and I put 1,000 miles on it. The head gaskets failed on the motor, hydrolocked the motor. After I discovered what went wrong and why, I tore the motor apart, rebuilt it with new and improved components that I learned in my research were better for the engine and the truck overall. So I replaced a lot of stuff, cylinder heads, fuel filter, starter, radiator, water pump, serpentine belts, coolant hoses. That's kind of where things are at right now. I need to get 2 batteries, need to get some diesel fuel, need to finish putting together the fuel system and finish tying up a couple loose ends on the motor part. And then the old truck should be ready for its first test drive in a really long time. So that's just a quick update video. Today, I'm going to take the rear tires off and look at the brakes on the rear axle because the parking brake doesn't work when I apply it. I can apply the parking brake and push the truck and it still rolls. And then, as everybody knows, in a manual transmission, a parking brake is a good thing. So that's what I'm going to do today. Please stay tuned for future videos about the truck in the future. I'm going to continue to work on the truck because I'm really excited to get it back on the road, and I like driving it. It's really an easy driving truck, plenty of power, plenty of torque, even for the 6.5 turbo diesel. I'm not going to load it up with a bunch of aftermarket modifications or anything like that. I'm just going to enjoy the truck for what it is, you know, an old work truck that I don't care if I dent it or ding it up, and it's also going to be a good knockaround truck for something that comes up. If I need to get something dirty or need to haul a bunch of whatever in the back of the truck, it'll be perfect. I won't want to do that with a brand new truck. As everybody knows, brand new trucks are stupid expensive. And in my opinion, if you're going to spend that kind of money on a brand new truck, I wouldn't even want to use it for a truck because I'd be afraid to tear it up, you know, get it into a collision or scratch it or whatever. So I'm going to keep the old truck for a long time. I'm going to drive it till it won't drive anymore, and then go from there. So everybody stay tuned for future update videos about the truck. I'm planning on bringing everybody along on some working videos with the truck, you know, putting all the finishing touches on the motor, the fuel system, the batteries, getting some diesel fuel, putting the brakes all back together the way they should be so everything works on the rear. Going through it, making sure everything's good, then We'll watch together as I fire it up for the first time in a long time, and we'll go for a maiden voyage. You know, see what works, see what doesn't work, see what I need to fix still. So everybody stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And always, if you like what you see here on my channel, please subscribe, like, rate, comment. That helps me know that you guys like the content. And I'll keep uploading content like this and anything else that I think you guys would like. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see everybody on the next video.